Okay, it is by default taking the login. What I'll do is I will just log out this. So like once you come here for Canva, you have to first of all go for sign up. And once you go here, you can click on continue with Google. And then you have to enter your basically Gmail address, and then it will log in as a Gmail user. Now, since I already have an account created, I'll go for the login account, continue with Google. I have this Gmail account which I'm using. So I have selected that. As my password is by default saved, it didn't ask me, but it'll ask you at your PC for at least once for the first time when you're doing it. And then you can just log into your Canva account. So that is basically, you will by default be logging into as a free account. Okay, free user only. So that was about your home. Once you do the login, about the create design panel. Now this is about the trainer, some account settings. Like here, you can just go and check out the name, the address, email address, what is associated with it. You can change the theme, which is currently available. Also, you have a desktop app for this, which you can basically use if you wish to work on a desktop, but it is not preferably used because we have everything which you can create and we can save it on cloud. So then why should we again install a desktop app for that? So it's not necessarily useful for creating, but yes, if you want, you can go ahead and create that. Similarly, here you have some settings of your accounts again, as you can go here or you can directly go for this settings options. You again click on this main logo, you come back to the home page, which is the after login page of your Canva account. So we have seen about the projects option which are available. Similarly, you have some templates option available over here. As I have told you that Canva has a lot of free templates also which you can use. So it is not necessary for you as a learner to go for a pro account directly. So whichever template you may like, you can use that and you can start creating your Canva design at one go. So these are all various categories of templates which are available. So anything for social media, let's look at for some Instagram post. So see some default posts are there which you can basically click and you can edit certain things. You can change the color, add some more images or elements into it and make it more attractive and then use it as your own Instagram post basically. So like that, you have all the given accounts over here, all the various themes account. Now you can see here price, some are available only for free. So if you click on free, only the free ones would be displayed to you. If you click both would be displayed. So as I have a pro account, I can go for both. If you're using a free account, just click on the free one and search for a particular design there. So it was about your template. Now shared with you is basically if you are working with a team. Okay, say you have a pro account and you are adding some 2 to 3 members in your own team. And basically you can, share the design. Like suppose I am creating a Instagram post for some upcoming live classes, for example. So I want to share it with some of my subordinates also, because we can just, I can also make them modify the design. So they can add some elements into it. They can modify some colors, some designs to it. And then basically we can just go ahead and like finalize a particular design there. So that is where you will have to share with you will be helpful for you. So basically as a user, you will have to share your designs in your team. But then over here, if you are going, you will have to create a team over here. So create a team, you can also create it over here. You will have to enter the email addresses and go for create team. So then those many users can join you and basically you can go ahead by creating your own team and designing with your team there. Now this trash is basically any design which you create and you have deleted that would be stored temporarily in the trash folder. If you delete it from here also, it is gone. It's simply like we have the trash folder in our Gmail accounts also. It is same as that. Okay. This is about your create team. As I have told you, you can give any team name you wish to and then enter the email addresses. Go for create team. Those all email addresses will receive an email regarding Canva that you have been added as a team member to the particular given team name. And then once they accept it, they go for their account creation. Like you may also have, as I'm having a pro account, I can invite somebody who is a free user also. It's also possible. Okay, it's not that everyone should have a pro account itself. So that is about your creating team. Then you have, now you can see this brand kit and content planner. These are only available for pro users. It is not available for all, for the free users as such. So basically I can, as I have a pro account, I can basically add my brand logos over here. I can add some specific brand colors, some specific brand fonts, which, you know, basically I'm keeping this as a master template. Wherever I want to use it in my design, like I want to use my logos, I can just keep it added whenever I want, just drag it and add it into my designs. So every time I don't have to upload it or save it somewhere. Similarly for colors, I want to have some specific brand color. Like suppose now I'll go to my pro account. See over here, I'm having this. Now see, this is available for me to add because I'm having a pro account over here. So I can add some brand colors. I can add some fonts over here, which I've already added. Also some logos I can add it and I can keep it for my designs to be ready. So I can like create this as my brand kit. So something which you want to add it multiple times, or maybe on every design you want to add it, keep it added under your brand kit over here. Similarly, you have the content planner. Like here I can go on adding some different, like suppose for today, I want to add an Instagram post on upcoming live classes. So I can just add that over here. So those team members who are there in my team, they can also be visibly, like it will also be visible to them. So that, you know, we can just have an event or the content planning done in advance. So even these two are available for your pro users, not for all. Okay. Then you have some smart mocks up. Basically, you can take it like on some different technologies available, or you can, you know, create your designs and take up some mock over here, like how they basically look like on your different options available given over here. So all these things are basically available when you first of all go for creating your account. So here I have created a team, as I have told you. So anything in the team I can also invite more members, or I can share inside a particular given team as well. Now, if you just look at over here, you have some options available here also. Like for office, you have the presentations, the whiteboards, graphs, PDFs and everything. Again, for social media, the videos, photos, like suppose you have to edit only a video or a photo, simple, even those can be done. Some for marketing, some for custom printing. So all those things are also available over here. The same things which are available when you go for create design option. Okay, so basically doing one task, you have, you know, multiple ways of doing it basically. So we have basically seen how to open a Canva account. We have understood about the different options available for this. Now let's go to home and let's say I'm going here. I am going for a photo editor. Let's see. Now I'm going for an online photo editor. Fine. I'm going for start editing a photo. So by default, you can see here, I'm getting it at 800 by 600. So let's say I want to add some photo over here. So let's say, let's search for some. Now here also, you know, all these are available once you go for create design. So initially we were at home, hence we didn't have all these options. But now I have gone for adding or editing a photo. So I am currently into my untitled design. This is basically the name available. So here I am typing, let's say, photo editing 1. Now this is a name. By this name, I'm saving my design. And it will be auto saved henceforth. Okay, so you can just see, you can click on file and save option, or by default, it would be saved after some time limit given. Now you have these options available over here. This is again available for all the designs. You have some inbuilt templates. You have some elements. Now, in this elements, you can see you have line, you have frame, arrow, circle, square, rectangle, borders, many more. You have some recently used, you have some line and shapes. Now these are some like some only are displayed over here. But if you just go for see all, you will get to see all the available values there. Okay. So like even this, you have frames, you have some more collections. You can also search anything from Canva here. Okay, like I told you, I want to go for templates, and in template, I want to search for some education template. I'll click on that. I'm getting here some educational templates. Now, one thing that if you're using a free account, the things wherever you have this pro types thing, okay, this won't be available. It's available for me because I'm a pro user. But if I just show you over here, I am going for, let's say, a new design. Say I'm going from here. I'll do one more thing, just go here and go for photo editor. So now I go for a template. I search here for education. Now I have some pro users as well. So see, I'm having this as a pro. I click on add. Okay, it asks me for upgrade. I don't want to upgrade. So I can't use this pro ones, but whichever are free ones, I can use those. Okay, so all the free ones are available. So once I have added this, you can see each and individual element you are able to edit. Like for example, I want to change the color of this. I want to change the image. So I'm just going here now. Even some parts of editing on the image also won't be available for a normal user. Like I cannot remove the background here, which I can do if I'm a pro user. But I can go for some filters over here. Or I can change some different settings available there. So not all, but maximum things are available if you even are a free user. So that is one option. Similarly, you want to change some images, you can directly add another image there. Like for example, let's say free animals. Let's search here. Okay, I'm getting some of these. Now these are my templates. I will just search here. Say animals. Okay, let's say I want this one. I have clicked here. I'll just delete this. I will place it down here.